show you Murphy Luffy. He's actually eating salmon. That's Murphy Luffy. You like the salmon? My man. We have more food for you, man. You need to get a little bit more like body weight. Chubby. Yeah, it's all for you, man. Go for it. Carbs and meat. You need some carbs to get fat. Go for it. But he eats there. I don't know why. He doesn't feel comfortable eating around. Oh, now he is. A miracle. Hi, Murphy Luffy. He's such a handsome boy. Love him. Murphy Luffy. We're in Croix, West Virgin Islands. It's a stray, but everybody here in the Airbnb that I'm staying, really nice. They take care of him. Casa de Austin, like pretty nice place. Take a look. How cool. It's awesome. It has everything super clean, super beautiful, AC. It's awesome. Like it's really awesome. Good place, and the host here is amazing. Great guy, so I'm happy. And I have Murphy Luffy. Good dog. Where's the nice kid? Come on. I got you. Shoot me. Come here. Come here. Come here with daddy. Come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. You are an angel, my son. Come here, boy. I'll take you home. Come with daddy. Okay, calm down. Don't get so anxious. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, Murphy, come on. Come on. Enough. Come with daddy. Good boy. Good boy. Now rest. Good boy. We'll adopt you later.